Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English one day before your exam. First, quickly grasp the exam structure, which typically has 3 sections: reading, writing and grammar, and literature. Next, prioritize your study by reviewing your existing notes and focusing on high-weightage topics. For literature, concentrate on chapter summaries and main themes. For writing, practice the correct formats for common tasks like letters and articles. This targeted approach will maximize your efforts in a short time frame. For the literature section, quickly go through chapter summaries and character sketches. This helps you recall the main story arcs and character motivations without rereading. Pay attention to key themes and literary devices, as these are often tested. For reading comprehension, practice at least one unseen passage. Focus on understanding the central idea and main points before diving into the questions. This strategy helps you answer accurately and efficiently, saving valuable time during the exam. The writing section is highly scoring if you know the formats. Quickly review the structures for formal letters, analytical paragraphs, and reports. Try writing one example of each to solidify the format in your mind. For grammar, focus on core concepts such as tenses, subject-verb agreement, and active-passive voice. These topics frequently appear in exams. Dedicate about 30 minutes to solving a few practice questions for each grammar area. This quick revision will help you avoid common mistakes and secure good marks. As the exam approaches, attempt at least one full sample paper. This is crucial for practicing time management and understanding the paper's flow. Allocate specific time to each section, perhaps 45 minutes for reading and an hour for literature. The night before, ensure you get a full 7 to 8 hours of sleep. On exam day, eat a healthy breakfast and stay calm. A relaxed and confident mind performs much better under pressure, helping you recall everything you've studied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.